In this exercise, we'll compute commission and we'll compute compound interest. Karen's commission rate is 16%. She invests her commission from the sale of $15,000 worth of merchandise at the interest rate of 12% compounded quarterly. How much is Karen's investment worth after 6 months? Well, the first thing that we'll need to do is to find out how much she has to invest. So we'll have to compute her commission. And commission is equal to the commission rate times the sales. And we'll just call the commission C. The commission rate, we're told, is 16%, and the sales were $15,000. Now, writing the commission rate in decimal notation, we have 0.16 times $15,000, and when we do that multiplication, we get $2,400. The commission is $2,400, and this is the amount that's going to be invested. To find the amount in the account after 6 months, we'll use the compound interest formula. That tells us that the amount is equal to the principal times 1 plus R over N, where R is the interest rate and N is the number of compounding periods annually. And that's raised to the power N times T, where T is the length of time the money is invested in years. Now, filling in what we know here, we know that the principal, the amount that Karen has to invest, is $2,400. We were told that the interest rate is 12%. And this investment was compounded quarterly, so there would be 4 compounding periods every year. So we substitute 4 for N, and we substitute 4 for N in the exponent as well. And we were asked to find how much was in the account after 6 months or after 1/2 year. So we substitute 1/2 for T. Now let's just do some manipulating here. 12% I'm going to write in decimal notation as 0.12, and 4 times 1/2 is 2. So I have $2,400 times 1 plus 0.12 divided by 4 is 0.03, and we'll be squaring that. We have $2,400 times 1 plus 0.03 is 1.03, and we'll square that. And at this point, you'd probably pick up your calculator and finish the calculation. And you would find that this is equal to $2,546.16. So this is the amount that Karen would have in her account after 6 months.